Alrighty, what's up, man? What's going on, man? It's your boy, Mr. Fantastic 824, the BABG OG, man. Appreciate y'all pull up on me. And today, we have an unboxing. Now, I got these, the first, the absolute first sneakers shock drop that I've hit forever. And strangely enough, is on this one right here, man. So if you don't know, you know what I'm saying, you already know what I got in here, man. This right here is the long awaited, I think they're calling them, the Gratitudes. But this right here, Jordan Retro 11, pretty much known as the DMP Retro, and size 13. I like how they did this box. If you guys know, all my OGs know, this came from a 2-pack, right? So it was the Jordan 11, and it was the gold Jordan 6. Matter of fact, I got that shoe, but I just thought about it now, and I go get it to whatever. But if you already got the gold sixes, DMP sixes, and the everything on the box, man, is just, you know what I mean, top notch. I'm trying to see what the hell this says. Oh, thank you. Okay, so yeah, vertical lettering. And look at it, it says thank you. Paper. Got all types of different languages and stuff. I'm pretty sure. Yep, Donka. I know that's thank you and what's the name. All these different languages saying thank you, pretty much, right? And gratitude. Thanks for the game. Now, the most important part, man, all right, is the leather versus the fucking the old school upper. One of the worst parts of the Concords, and these when they originally came out, man, was the fucking netting, bro. That white netting gets fucking, it gets dirty, bro. You never gonna get it clean. Never gonna get it clean, bro. Only thing that's missing though, if you remember the first one, I think you had Jordan on the lace tabs, right? That's not there this time, but the gold jump, man, you can see right here, man. You know what I mean? The back embroidered 23. This is actual plate versus in metal embroidered instead of the paint. That's pretty dope. I am not a fan of the high patent leather. I prefer the retro patent leather a whole lot better. I'm not a big fan of the super high patent leather, man. I just don't like it. But hey, man, this right here is a Grail shoe. Again, man, you cannot be a sneakerhead, bro. You cannot be a Jordan connoisseur and not like this shoe. You just can't. What the other ones? I think they could have did a little bit more on the box. I think they could have did a little bit more. The box is cool, it's dope. The paper and stuff is cool. But still, man, like for a shoe of this magnitude, man, I expect a little bit more out of the box or whatever. But man, listen, cannot beat this, bro. And I got these in a 13. 14, I got a little bit of extra room or whatever. But again, with the high patent leather, it makes your foot look clunky as hell. So I think it's gonna look a whole lot better when I finally rock these. You know, in a 13 versus a 14. My Space Jams in the 14, I still haven't rocked those yet. My Win Like 96s, those are 14. And I think my retro breads from, what was it, 2009? The last regular cut retro bread, those were a 13, and I got plenty of room in those. So these should fit. I'm hoping the same, but just a real dope shoe, man. I got these while I was in Aruba. I was surprised when I hit the shock drop, so it's crazy, right? I didn't believe it. But these are gonna come in a full family size run, man. I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna have these. But strangely enough, man, people were saying certain things. I'm not sure how much it is, how the economy and things going. These might sit, surprisingly. I'm not gonna say it. Well, kids usually do sit, but these just might, man. I don't know. Might be able to walk in and get you a couple pair of these, man. Get you a pair of these. I'm definitely gonna double up on these. I'm definitely gonna try to hit another raffle or something. You gotta have 2 pair of these, man. One to rock, one to stock. So when these finally do, get messed up or whatever, which, again, man, this is why a rotation is important. People are like, man, you got so many shoes. If you got enough shoes, man, you don't wear the same shoes every day. You don't put much wear and tear on the shoes you do have. But hey, man, it's just like a little, sneakerhead, common knowledge or whatnot, man. Increase your rotation, man, and you increase the life of your shoes. But all in all, man, hey, you see it, man. Air Jordan 11, Gratitude, aka the DMP Retros, man. Defining Moments Package Retro, and it's a dope shoe, man. Really dope shoe. They're gonna try to find some gold laces, or I got the low top Olympic joints, white and gold Olympics. So I'm gonna see if I can find some laces like those to put in here, and to make the shoe pop a little bit. A little bit of something to change it up and make it different. But other than that, man, again, legendary shoe, man. Took them forever to retro this, but hey, in due time, right? So either way it goes, man. That's that on that one. Catch y'all on the next one. Holla.